Well, hello, my future students. I hope life is going good. I gave you some time off before I did these videos because I thought, I'll let you enjoy yourself. But now, after that time off, I'm sure you're saying, wow, I'm tired of this summer. I am ready for school. I want some school. Challenge me. First, some parents asked to see the book, and I kind of forgot which parents asked me, so I thought I'd start the video by showing you what's on here. So this is Glencoe Algebra 2, McGraw-Hill, it's green. Oops. Then here is the information I think you know. See, it's got the ISBN number at the bottom down here. So that should help you out, I hope. Anyways, we're going to do some stuff. My goal is to cover stuff that people tend to get wrong. So I don't know how many videos I'm going to make. You might want to have some paper ready and a pen or pencil. Some of these videos I'll tell you to stop and do some of the problems. Ooh, faking you out. Ooh, sorry about that. Some I won't really have you do a whole lot. The two big ones is solving linear equations and laws of exponents. So we'll see how it goes. The last video, the title will actually say last video. So that way you'll know when you can stop. And I'll probably make 2 or 3 a week. Maybe the week before school starts, I'll give you that week off. We'll see. But the first thing, oh, did you see that? That was like magic. The first thing I want to talk about is zero when it pertains to fractions. So in, let's say, is any number but 0, what is 0 divided by any number but 0? What's any number but 0 divided by 0? And what's 0 divided by 0? So 0 divided by a number other than 0, think of it this way. Let's say you have nothing. See, there's nothing here in the air. And I start cutting it up. Here I go. Cut, 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 cut. Cut, 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 cut. Well, if there's nothing to start with, it doesn't matter how many times I cut it up. It's still going to be 0. Now, what if I have something and I divide it by 0? That means take something there and start cutting until you have nothing. So let's try it. Here's a piece of paper. Here it is. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's cut. Ooh, cut. Oh, I'm going to cut it again. Ooh, cut. Oh, I'm going to cut it again. Ooh, cut. There should be equal cuts, but that was fun. So that doesn't make sense. How can you take something there and cut it till it's nothing? Unless you're the government. Your parents will understand that joke. So this does not make sense. So you cannot take something, this is a number other than 0, so this would be undefined. Now different books call it different things. I like to say undefined. We can't even define it. We can't even explain what it is. Can't put a definition to it. Now I had a teacher say, okay, 0 divided by n, a number, that's 0. That's right on. Right on. Well, I guess I got to do it. Well, let's do it right on. Well, that doesn't work. I don't know. But a number divided by 0. No, no, bad, no, bad. Oh, no. It's undefined. So what would 0 divided by 0 be? What do you think? Take a guess. No, don't be shy. Go ahead. I won't laugh. Well, no, it's undefined. Because if 0's ever on the bottom, it's undefined. In fact, let's say that together. 0 on the bottom is undefined. That is true all the time. 0 on the bottom is undefined. That is true all the time. Yes, very good. Next time, say it louder, though. Okay, next one. This is called distribution, or using the distributive property. Probably already know this, where you're taking a product, multiplication, of a sum, addition, or a difference, subtraction. And what you do is you take this and multiply it to every term. So the general rule or the law is AB plus AC. So A times B plus A times C. And your answer is AB, or AB plus AC. So this one, I need to take 2 and multiply to both terms. That would be distribution. So right now, do these real quick in your head. Now, if you want to turn off the video and then start back up, that's okay, but these are pretty quick. I think they are. So, yes, negative 2 times 3x, that'd be minus 6x. And minus times a plus is a minus, and 2 times 4 is 8. So this one, minus 5 times a positive 1x would be minus 5x. And minus 5 times minus 6. Now here's where be careful. A negative times a negative really means what's the opposite of the negative, and it'd be plus. That's what a negative means. What's the opposite? 5 times 6 is 30. Now I know in schools they'll say 2 negatives make a positive. Well, that's only true in multiplication. So if I have minus 5 minus 6, that's not positive, because that means I owe 5, I owe 6, so it's minus 11. But if it's 5 minus a minus 6, that's multiplication. The opposite of negative is a positive, so it's 5 plus 6, which is 11. So, or negative 5 times negative 6. A number next to parentheses means multiply, so that would be 30. Now, I'm going to give you a tricky one. You might want to turn this off. This is tricky. Oh, this is tricky. Try it. Most people get this wrong, because they'll want to go 5 minus 3, but if you know the order of operations, multiplication has to happen before addition. So this would be 5 minus 3x, minus 3 times minus 4 is plus 12. Now, since it's all addition or subtraction, either one, it's the same level of order of operations, you can combine the numbers. Now, does anyone know what a number is called in mathematics if you have no variable with it? Go ahead, try. Oh, good try, but it's a constant. Constant. Because a variable means you can put something in, changing it, you can vary. But a number is a constant, because constant means it cannot change. 17 is 17. Good. Now today, let's pause because we need to break for our sponsor. Our sponsor today is Bill Knapp Donuts. And look, there's one left. Oh, wow, I wonder where the other ones went. Well, since I live by myself, I have a feeling. But, oh, Bill Knapp Donuts. Go buy one for you. Next one, let's see. Oops. Oh, we're back to the other page. Sorry about that. Now, last thing we're going to do is how do you combine terms that have the same variable and the variables have the same power? Have to have the same power and same variable. Well, this is the reverse of distribution. So what I do is I'm going to take the x and then write what's left, 2 plus 3, because distribution says it'd be x times 2, x times the 3, distribute it. So this is called factoring. Don't need to know that word right now, but that's what it is. So, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So what you do is keep the variable, combine the, oh, these are called coefficients. Say that with me. Coefficient. Now, you didn't say that. Say it. Coefficients. The numbers that's multiplied to the variables are called coefficients. Woohoo! So what would this be then? Go ahead. Good try, good try. Hope you got it right. Negative 7x, we cannot combine it to the 8y because it's got to have the same variable. So it'll be minus 7x plus 10x is 3x plus the 8y. So 3 little things you should know. Again, some of these videos I'm going to give you practice problems. Some of these I am not. But have a great day.